The biggest challenge for crypto has always been making it useful in the real world. Pi Network changed that by letting you turn digital coins into cash at regular ATMs. Just scan a QR code at a Pi-enabled ATM and out comes real money. No complicated exchanges. The process is as easy as using a debit card, with Pi deducted from your wallet and local currency dispensed. This makes Pi instantly practical for millions who rely on cash every day. Traveling abroad? Skip the currency exchange? Just use your Pi at an ATM. No more middlemen or high fees, you control your funds. This ATM access is the first step in making Pi a true global currency. It's not just about trading online, it's about buying groceries, paying for a taxi, or helping family with cash. By bridging digital and physical money, Pi unlocks real utility for everyday people. Most crypto projects only dream of this level of practicality. With Pi, digital money becomes tangible and powerful. The future of finance is finally in your hands. Crypto's Wild West reputation scares many, but Pi Network took a different path. By partnering with established banks, Pi built a financial ecosystem that's secure and regulated. Seeing the Pi logo next to a trusted bank reassures users that their money is safe. These partnerships enable services like ATMs and ensure compliance with regulations like KYC and AML. If you have a problem, you can walk into a branch and talk to a real person. Unheard of in most crypto projects. This blend of digital innovation and traditional banking creates trust and reliability. You get the speed and reach of crypto, plus the security and support of banks. This hybrid model is what will bring millions into the world of digital currency. With Pi, you don't have to choose between old and new. You get the best of both. Trust is finally built into crypto. The real test of any currency is what you can buy with it. Pi's community started by bartering, trading Pi for art, cars, and more, proving its real-world value early on. Now, with the open mainnet and merchant integration, you can buy coffee in Seoul, book hotels in Nigeria, or shop for electronics in Vietnam, all with Pi. This isn't just a few examples, it's a global marketplace powered by everyday people. Take Maria, a bakery owner. She started accepting Pi, saw her sales rise, and paid lower fees than with credit cards. For her, Pi isn't speculation, it's a tool for business growth. That's real utility, buying bread, getting a haircut, or paying your mechanic. Pi focused on making everyday transactions seamless for both shoppers and merchants. It's transforming from a promising project into an essential part of the global economy. Money you can actually use every day. That's the true power of Pi. It's not about hype, it's about real life, and it's happening now. Pi Network's story is really about its pioneers, the millions who believed in the vision from the start. Unlike other projects funded by big investors, Pi was built from the ground up by its community. Pioneers weren't just users. They secured the network, ran nodes, invited friends, and helped build the ecosystem. Their feedback shaped the apps and features we see today. This grassroots approach created a deep sense of ownership. Pioneers feel Pi is truly theirs. They invested time and belief, not just money. When challenges came, the community worked together to solve them. Over 50 million people from nearly every country collaborated without a corporate structure. This is decentralization in action, a global project built by ordinary people. The pioneers proved you don't need a giant corporation to change the world. All it takes is a great idea, a dedicated community, and patience. That's the Pi difference. Pi Network took the slow, steady route. Unlike other cryptos that rushed to market and fizzled out, the enclosed network phase was all about building a solid foundation, security, scalability, and real-world utility. The team and community worked tirelessly, testing the blockchain and verifying millions of real users through KYC. This made Pi one of the most secure and compliant crypto ecosystems. Developers built apps, marketplaces, and games, giving Pi real utility before it even had a market price. Some were frustrated by the slow pace, but this patience paid off. Now in 2026, Pi is stable, secure, and ready for global use. The community is strong and understands the project's long-term vision. By refusing to rush, Pi avoided the pitfalls that doomed other projects. The slow and steady approach made all the difference. Those who kept the faith are now seeing the rewards. Sometimes patience really is a virtue. Pi's biggest impact is in places where traditional finance fails. In many developing countries, banking is a luxury. Fees are high, currencies unstable, and tools limited. For millions, Pi is a lifeline, a stable, secure way to store value and send money across borders with almost no fees. Farmers can sell crops directly to city customers through Pi apps, get paid instantly, and use Pi for school supplies or cash at ATMs. This isn't a small change, it's a transformation. Communities in Africa, Latin America, and Asia are leapfrogging old systems, moving straight to a mobile-first, decentralized economy. A craftsman in a remote village can now sell goods worldwide, no bank account needed. This is financial inclusion on a scale governments have struggled to achieve. Pi works on the smartphones people already have. No expensive tech or deep knowledge required. That's why it's spreading so fast. Pi empowers entrepreneurs and families to build better futures. It's more than a payment system. It's a force for economic equality. Pi is leveling the playing field for everyone. Pi Network isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's a revolution in value, trust, and community. Traditional finance is top-down, controlled by a few. Pi flips that, putting power in the hands of its users. With Pi, value is created by the collective participation of millions, not by central banks. Money becomes a social contract, built on trust and consensus. Pi's distribution model ensures coins go to ordinary people, not just early investors or big mining farms. This creates a more equitable, decentralized economy from the start. Most importantly, Pi empowers you to control your own money. No bank can freeze your account, no government can seize your funds. Combine that with real-world utility like ATMs and merchant payments, and you have true financial freedom. This is the ultimate goal of crypto, finally made real for the masses. Pi's revolution is quiet but profound, changing lives, one pioneer at a time. It's about empowerment, equality, and ownership. The future of money is being built from the ground up, and it's happening now. As we enter 2026, the financial world is changing fast, and Pi Network is leading the way. From a university idea to a global ecosystem, Pi proves digital currency can be accessible and useful for all. ATM access and a thriving merchant economy are just the beginning. Pi's success shows technology can empower individuals and connect communities worldwide. Cryptocurrency is no longer mysterious. It's in the hands of millions who were once left out. The vision of a decentralized, user-controlled financial system is now reality. The Pi community, built on patience and belief, is its greatest strength. As more banks, merchants, and developers join, Pi's utility and value will only grow. The future of finance is decentralized, community-driven, and here for everyone. Pi Network has sparked a quiet revolution, putting financial power back where it belongs, in your hands.